Now that we have an app registration, we need to go and create the Logic app. This app will be responsible for creating the initial named location and periodically updating it with new adversarial infrastructure as it is uncovered. First, let's open up a couple of additional tabs. The first being the conditional access section with Azure. Here, we'll navigate to the named locations page, which sits under the Manage menu. This is where our named location will be created. At the moment, this user doesn't have any named locations configured. The other tab we want is for deploying ARM templates. In the link below this video, you'll see an option to download the template which will create this Logic app. If you don't have a Deploy a Custom Template option in your services list, then search for it in the search bar and select it from there. You'll see the option to build your own template in the editor. Click on this. It will take you through to an editor window. Here we can simply load the template file you downloaded. Before you hit save, there are a few values which we need to set. Firstly, we need to set the API key for the Lab 539 service. You'll have received this by email when you registered, or you can obtain it from the portal. You don't need to register for the portal, just sign in using the email address you subscribed with. Then copy and paste your API key into the template. Then paste the secret that you generated when creating the app registration. This is the secret value, we don't need the secret ID. And then the application ID, which is also commonly referred to as the client ID. You'll find this in the overview page of your app registration, so just copy and paste that here. Finally, it needs your tenant ID, which, again, is available from the overview page of your app registration. That is all of the information you need to configure. So now you can hit save. You'll be asked to select the subscription, resource group, and region in which you want the app deployed. If you don't have any resource groups, then you should first create one. The name of the app has been populated from within the template. You can change this if you wish. Review your deployment and then hit create. The creation shouldn't take long, and you'll then have the opportunity to browse to your new resource. The Logic app runs on initial deployment. The green tick tells us that it has run successfully. And that is all there is to it. You now have a Logic app that will run periodically and update a named location for us with the latest adversary in the middle infrastructure. If you now browse to the Conditional Access tab you opened earlier and refresh, you'll see a named location called Lab 539 AITM High Confidence has been created and populated with data. You can now use this named location within your conditional access policies. Your Logic app will ensure that it is regularly updated.